How to check drivers updates in Windows 11. So I will show you the perfect method. So let me start with the video. There is a two method. I will show you one by one. So first method, you can go to the search and search for device manager. Here go to the search and go to the device manager. Okay, just maximize it. Go to the view and click on show hidden device. So here you can see the older driver. Okay, so what you can do, select your driver. If I go to the display driver, select that driver, right click on, go to the property, and here under the details, in general or under driver, you can see the driver date and driver provider, and this is driver version. Okay, and details, you just go to the this list and search for installations date, and here you can see the date. Okay, so this is your installation date. Okay, so if you want to update it, come to the driver and go to the update drivers and go to the search automatically for drivers, and if it is not updated, it will be start updating, or if it is already updated, then it will be show message like this. Okay, or there is a one more method, you can directly download drivers from motherboard manufacturer. So here come to the search and search for system informations, just open it, and here you can see your motherboard company manufacturer and your motherboard, that code, unique code. So just find out that unique code and go to the browser. Under the browser, just search for that code. Here I have code, and here go to the support and go to the drivers, and here you can see some drivers. Here we have that audio drivers, that other drivers like this. Here the wireless Wi-Fi drivers, here some drivers, Intel graphic drivers. You can download your updated drivers from here and just install it. So you need to search for with your motherboard numbers like this, and after that you can search for some specific driver. Just hit the enter your device motherboard serial number, and if you want to search audio driver, search for audio driver. Okay, so here it will be take you the directly official links. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.